Clark County residents, take note. Students in our community are doing their part to improve the environment. Green schools are making a difference in Clark County. Areas of focus include energy, transportation, and waste and recycling. Washington Green Schools, a nonprofit organization whose mission is to challenge students to create sustainable communities, recently honored Clark County for having more certified green schools than any other county in the state. On December 2nd, Image Elementary was notified that they have achieved Washington Green Schools Level 6 certification. They are the first school to reach this level. On November 6, more than 20 schools gathered for a day of collaboration at the Clark County Green Schools Student Summit.
This is the 4th annual Washington Green School Summit here in Clark County, and that's wonderful because it's a new program. There are still just under 300 schools statewide involved in the program, but 68 Clark County schools are involved in the program, and 38 of those schools have become certified, several of them at additional levels. We actually have 2 schools in Clark County that have certified in 5 of the 6 levels already, and they're working on number 6. So Clark County is really a leader in this effort.
Throughout the day, green teams from K through 12 schools across the county participated in learning experiences that advance environmental sustainability in schools. Students led panels and were engaged in breakout activities intended to bring lasting changes back to school.
We have 2 level 5 schools in this county, Image Elementary and Sacagawea, one from Vancouver, one from Evergreen. And to get to a level 5 certification is not easy. So credit to those 2 schools and those teachers that are leading those programs. Without the teachers that lead these programs and the people at the district that encourage this curriculum, we wouldn't be able to do what we do. It's our partners that really deserve the credit. We help facilitate it and we make it happen, but without them, we wouldn't even be here today.
Schools form green teams of students, staff administrators, and parents. To become certified, schools must complete requirements in at least one environmental category. The breakout sessions at the summit included a transportation focus, energy conservation, and school grounds and gardens.
I've been teaching conservation kids for 6 years. We've certified because of these classes. We go an hour and a half once a week, usually 20 weeks out of the year, and I do that because these kids who sign up are so motivated. They're just so eager to work. It's like no classroom you ever see. They all just come excited to learn with their own ideas, and they're willing to do anything. They've got deep questions. It's just a real privilege and a joy to teach these kids. That's why I keep doing it.
Teams tackle a project, complete assessments, make lasting changes, and measure results.
My school is just brainstorming on what we can do for our environment at our public space. So far we're planning to reduce the carbon dioxide being released into the air by doing a walking school bus. We're also planning to reduce the energy bill by turning off all the lights in the school when we don't need them.
We've been planning a garden that we're going to build. We've been having a couple grants on the fencing, and we do community cleanup days, and we do it at our gardens in the front, and we clean up the gardens and plant more trees.
A lot of the time things won't last forever, so if you don't take care of the earth, then it's going to last for a shorter time.
To learn more about or get involved, visit www.waggreenschools.org. For their efforts at striving towards a greener community by learning and executing environmentally friendly practices locally, the Green Schools in Clark County are this month's Our Personal Best.